Okay, it's 2:40 right now. I've been trying to get my video camera audio to work with my TV because at 2 o'clock this afternoon I just had two choppers make a super low pass through my pyramid torsion fields and they got a really good reading. So in this video I'd like to show you these two choppers that just came by. I had two Blackhawks come over last Wednesday just after 11 o'clock. And they flew a little bit to the left of this big tree that's in my yard. But you'll see these two choppers. I can't get any audio here, like I said, so this is off a 8mm video camera. Those are my two pyramids right there. That's what's generating these torsion fields that are churning up the ether and the clouds. So they're really interested in this spot. And they're always monitoring it heavy. So here they come. I can hear them, and I get the camera ready, and that's what you got. And they just fly over the lake. Two of them, just like last week. Two Blackhawks, no lights, and flying in the same formation, just about. Here's another view of it. Like I said, this is off my video camera. I couldn't get my phone ready in time. So I just wanted to real quick show everybody that, and thanks for watching.